If you're experiencing crashing issues in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Minecraft. This includes checking your RAM, CPU, and GPU specifications. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can often resolve compatibility issues that lead to crashes. Step 3. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and click on More Options. In the JVM Arguments section, adjust the XMX value to allocate more RAM to Minecraft, which can help with performance and stability. Step 4. Disable mods. If you are using mods, try disabling them to see if the game runs smoothly without them. Some mods may not be compatible with the current version of Minecraft and can cause crashes. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Minecraft. If problems persist, consider seeking help from the Minecraft community or support forums.